Severe thunderstorm watch. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 65.